Right then, looking at percentages and D-grade material. Primarily this is going to be things along the lines of increasing or decreasing a quantity by a given percentage, either using a calculator or not. In this case we'll start with not using a calculator. Very basic example. Okay, you've got £400 is the price of a TV. Okay, it's reduced by 15% in a sale. How do you work that out? Well, 10% of your 400 is going to be £40. 5% of your 400 is going to be half your 10%, which is £20. Okay, so therefore 15% is going to be equal to your 60 quid. If you want to reduce something by 15%, you're going to take it off the original. Remember that this is your original 100% here. So this is your 100% because it's your original. So therefore you've got, to get a 15% reduction, you've got £400 minus £60 equals £340. Okay, and incidentally that is equal to 85% of the original. Right, that would be example one without a calculator. So remember, you can pause these videos at any point if you want to stop and work something out. Right, we'll do a second example without a calculator, but a more difficult one. The classic one is VAT. Now VAT is currently 15%, but for an exam purpose it may have been written before the reduction, so it might be at 17.5%. So if somebody's wanting to increase something, so a shop costs a product at £100 and they want to add on VAT, okay, and your VAT equals 17.5% or 17.5%. Okay, quick and easy way to do it is to say 10% equals 1/10, and here it's £10. Okay, 5% equals half of that, which is going to be £5, and 2.5% is going to be half of that, which is going to be £2.5. Okay, then your 17.5% is equal to the sum of these three, which is going to be £17.5, and then you could add it on, so your total value, so your cost plus VAT equals £117.5. Okay, very easy example because that's £100. What if it was £400? Okay, if it's £400, your 10% is £40. Your 5% is going to be half of 40, which is 20. Your 2.5% is going to be half of 5%, which is 10. And then your VAT at 17.5% is going to be 40 plus 20 plus 10, which is £70. Your cost plus VAT is then going to be your 400 original plus your 70, that's going to be £470. Oops. Okay. Right then, example with a calculator. Still at D grade, so this is foundation and higher. Okay, with a calculator you want to increase something by, say, 12%. So you want to increase £240 by 12%. Okay, you use your multipliers. In this case you want 112% of £240. Okay, now you multiply for 112% is 1.12 multiplied by 420, and that is going to equal, if you turn your calculators on, 1.12 times 420, which is 470.4. So 470.40 pounds. Okay, and that's an increase of 12%. You want a decrease, let's say £600 by 7%. Okay, which means you actually want 93% of 600. You could do this one fairly easy without the calculator as well, but we're going to show it with a multiplier. Multiplier for 93 is going to be 0.93 multiplied by £600, which is going to be equal to, you've got 0.93 times 600 equals £558.